There are a lot of software issues we might face on our iPhones. Like iPhone freeze, stuck in recovery mode or DFU mode, iPhone boot loop or any other iOS malfunctions. There are two ways to deal with such issues. First way, use iTunes by connecting iPhone to your system. Put your iPhone into recovery mode and restore it. In this process, you will lose your data as it will set your iPhone as a new device. Many times, this process gives you various errors also. Second method. Use Dr. Phone iOS system repair software. Visit the link given in the video description and download the software. Once downloaded, install it and open. Under iOS repair, there are two modes of repair: standard mode and advanced mode. The standard mode retains your data while the advanced mode erases your data, resulting in data loss. So, it's recommended to use the advanced mode only if the repair has failed in standard mode. Let's go in the standard mode. Connect the device you want to repair. It should detect its model and iOS version automatically. Click on Start to proceed for the repairing process. Its automated algorithm repairs the device by downloading the iPhone firmware. And that's how Dr. Phone can repair most of the iOS issues. Try it by downloading for free.